Did you know the only person to survive inside St. Pierre when Mount Pelée erupted was a man locked in a prison cell? May 8, 1902. The volcano above Martinique had been rumbling for weeks. People were nervous, but nobody left. Then just before 8 in the morning, the mountain cracked open and sent a superheated wave of gas and fire rolling down at over 100 miles per hour. 30,000 people were dead in under 2 minutes. The whole city was gone. The cathedral, the courthouse, the market, every street, every family, every judge. But deep in the city jail, a man named Augustus Cypris was sitting alone in a stone cell. He was there for a bar fight. His one tiny ventilation slot faced away from the blast. The thick walls cooked him badly, but they held. He survived. The city that locked him up to punish him accidentally saved his life. He was pardoned, recruited by Barnum and Bailey, and spent years on tour as the man the volcano could not kill.